In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve comments in Canva. If you collaborate on designs, you know how quickly feedback can pile up. Resolving comments is a simple way to mark conversations as handled, so your workspace stays tidy and everyone knows what's been addressed. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your project in the Canva editor. Make sure you're inside the design itself, not just on the home dashboard, so you can see the elements on your canvas. As you look around your design, keep an eye out for a small speech bubble icon. When there's a comment tied to a specific element, you'll see that bubble near the element, often with a tiny profile picture inside it indicating who left the comment. If you don't see any bubbles, there may not be active comments on that page. Or you might need to zoom in slightly so the markers are easier to spot. Once you find the speech bubble, click it. This opens the comment pane so you can read the message tied to that element. You'll see the comment text along with any replies that may have been added. Take a moment to confirm the feedback has been addressed in your design. Resolving a comment is meant to show that the task or question has been taken care of, so it's a good habit to double check before you mark it complete. Now hover your mouse over the comment text. As you hover, a small checkmark icon will appear. This is the control you use to resolve the comment. Click the checkmark, and the comment will be marked as resolved. It will clear from your active comment view, helping keep your project organized and letting collaborators know this item has been handled. That's all there is to it. Open your project, look for the speech bubble with the profile icon, click it to view the comment, hover over the comment text, and click the checkmark to resolve. Repeat this anywhere you see a bubble to move through feedback quickly and efficiently. A couple of helpful tips as you work. If you're scanning a complex design, moving your mouse over different areas can reveal hidden markers more easily, and selecting an element that has feedback can make the comment bubble more obvious. If you don't see any bubbles at all, you're likely all caught up. Keeping on top of these check marks as you finalize changes makes collaboration smoother and keeps your design clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.